Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you over to do a demo of etcd. Etcd is basically a database inside Kubernetes. Anything that we store in Kubernetes is stored as a key value pair in the etcd key value store, if you will. It's kind of all behind the scene. You don't even see it. So whenever we're interacting with the Kubernetes, that's where everything goes. But we can install etc on a machine ourselves and kind of play around with it ourselves. So let's do that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to GCE on my Google console, and you see a machine already running. That's because I already have a cluster running with one node, but we're not going to use that. We're going to create an instance, and doesn't matter what I call it, doesn't matter where it is. Medium, we can make it small, so it costs us less money. Small is fine. And then I don't need VM services, boot disk. It's telling me I really like this about Google. It tells me exactly how much it's going to cost me. It's cost me 2 cents an hour. So I think to make life easier, maybe we go with medium. And that's going to cost me 3 cents an hour. Wow. Okay. All right. So that's cool. So now we're just going to create this. And while it's doing that, we're going to look at the requirements here. So we're doing step A, which is to create the machine. Then we're going to SSH to it. That will be super easy in GCE. In AWS, a little bit complicated, but in GCE, it's super, and Google Cloud is pretty super simple. It looks like it's running. Now we can just see over here, SSH. We can simply SSH on the browser. I don't have to do anything at all. Just click on a button. So it's doing its thing. Taking a little bit of time. SSH, maybe the machine is not up all the way yet. While it's, yep, there it is. I can say uptime. I can show you that it can ping Google. All right, how much time do I have left? I have 2 minutes. All right. So now we're going to use the instructions on this page. I need to go over here. I need to kill this. We're going to go over here and use this instruction. All right. I think we can just copy paste the whole thing. So let's go to browser, vi script.sh. Copy and paste everything here. Let's see if this works. Not found. Oh, change mod 755 script. Now if I run it, ran everything it was supposed to run. That's cool. Now we're going to start the server. And it's running. I'm going to do a Control Z so I can put this in the background. Control Z, BG, so it runs in the background so I can get my terminal back. All right, then write to this. Now I'm going to write a key value to the cluster. And it said, okay, that means it worked okay. Now we can actually get the value back using the key. Key is foo, we should get back bar. All right, so that's how you install etcd on a machine just for you to play with it. If you ever wanted to just put key values in etc store yourself, you can do it this way. This is what Kubernetes does in the background when we do anything with Kubernetes. So I hope you found this lab useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really helped me with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next lab.